Everybody, AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Happy Hump Day, everybody. It's Wednesday, and it is great to see the sunshine again today. A beautiful looking day, although feeling maybe not so much. It is feeling cold. There's quite a bit of Arctic air funneling in. There'll be a brief respite, but boy, we've got most likely the coldest air of the season coming in, which we're going to detail in the forecast. So stick around for that. First of all, forecast first. And we've got it for you right here. The extended outlook starting with Friday into the weekend. Partly sunny skies on Friday. Friday is going to be really a fine day. Maybe you want to think about taking your Christmas lights down because there is much colder air in the pipeline. Friday's high 35, rain and snow mixed on Saturday, changing to snow. 37 down to 18, and then a 22 meager high on Sunday, dropping to 5. Sunday night, there will likely be sub-zero wind chills, very frigid Arctic slam on the way. A few flakes on MLK Day. Temperatures top out near 20, and overnight lows will likely, should say more like 2, not 20. I think that would be more of an optimistic temperature. So yeah, it is going to be quite cold, very, very cold temperatures coming up here in Northeast Ohio. So that's where we're going to be headed in our detailed look at the forecast here momentarily. First of all, we'll take a gander from Fairport Harbor, and this is a shot showing some lake clouds, a bit of a blustery wind out there, wind chill readings, single digits. For sure, a cold day, to say the least. How does this look in terms of how our weather story shapes up? Well, it's today temperatures upper teens and low 20s, as we all know, with lake effect snow showers lingering in some portions of Northeast Ohio. Those are beginning to quiet down. Really, tonight, temperatures fall into the single digits to low teens. And this courtesy of the National Weather Service in Cleveland. Sub-zero wind chills are expected overnight tonight. You got to bundle up for sure. Snow showers are possible across the area. And more details on the upcoming next winter weather system. Here's a look at satellite imagery over the last several hours. And boy, a good chunk of the western basin of Lake Erie is ice covered. You can see the ice if you look at the western basin of Lake Erie from just about off of Rocky River west to the islands. It looks like a sheet of ice. I'm sure there are breaks in that ice shelf. No ice is safe ice. The rest of the moving elements, of course, are clouds. There's some cloud cover in central Ohio, and of course over the snowbelt areas. We'll widen the view, show you a severe clear day across much of the Ohio Valley. And out toward Illinois, we can start to see the first few vestiges of cloud cover out there. We'll expand the view, show you the deep south under some cloud cover over Texas, Louisiana, parts of Mississippi and Alabama, and over the Gulf of Mexico. Meantime, where's the snow? Well, we got some light snow over Thunder Bay, down to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Sioux Falls, and maybe up around Fargo. Also, snow of the lake-enhanced variety from the Finger Lakes on west toward Buffalo, and some light snow falling in that neck of the woods. So how does the map look? Well, you can see this clipper system that's moving toward the Twin Cities. It's ice for those folks. They're looking at freezing rain, western Wisconsin up into the arrowhead of Minnesota. We put the maps in motion. Overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, we're looking at snow coming in. So you're probably going to want to plan on some extra drive time for your morning commute, Thursday morning commute. We're recording this on Wednesday, January 15th. We're halfway through the month of January. For a lot of folks, January cannot go by fast enough. But someone just mentioned to me today at an appointment I had that they've noticed the daylight at the end of the day sticking around longer. We've picked up about 25 minutes of daylight or so at the end of the day, only a couple of minutes at the beginning of the day. But that'll start to balance out here and even out shortly. Meantime, back to the maps we go. Tomorrow afternoon, still snowing. Forecast accumulations with these Clipper-esque systems are generally 1 to 3 inches. maybe enhanced snowfall up to 4 or 5 inches over the snow belt in hot spots. Thursday night, you can see the snow is trying to exit, and it does so for Friday. I think Friday is the pick of the next several days coming up. You can see high pressure nosing in from the south, winds shutting off lake effect, the winds swing around to the southwest. And then here's the next weather system Friday night into Saturday. Right on the fringe, there's a rain snow mix, but we may change to all rain briefly on into Saturday before going to snow. So rain, snow mix, to rain and snow mix, back to snow. And that's the progression of things from early Saturday morning through the day on Saturday. Once the front swings through, it is going to get cold. So let's put the maps in motion, show you this burst of snow with our clipper system coming through. This is Thursday morning, about 3, 4 in the morning, right before morning rush hour. Could dump some snow and untreated surfaces. And if the plows don't keep up with it, could be a bit of a tricky morning commute for those of us out and about Thursday morning. Takes a little while for that snow to exit and may end as a period of little lake effect. Snowfall amounts generally 1 to 3 inches. You can see there are some hot spots over eastern Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula that pick up of upwards of 4 inches of snow. Not out of the question. Okay, here we go. Our forecast for tonight: increasing clouds. It'll be cold, snow developing late. Look at overnight lows: 10, wind chills to 1 below zero, sundown 5:23. Winds could gust as high as 25 miles an hour, southwest sustained 10 to 15 miles an hour. For the day on Thursday, snow showers are likely with this clipper. 1 to 3 inches, not out of the question. Some places maybe up to 4 or 5. Brisk and chilly day, about a 30. Sun up at 7:51 and over the hill at 24 minutes after 5. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. So here's a look at the extended outlook one more time in case you missed it the first time around. Friday is our lull, L-U-L-L, our lull. I think that's how you say that word. Partly sunny, 35. A 30 Friday night is that critical temperature there. I think a snow, then snow rain mix on Saturday. Anything that's liquid with a high of 37 degrees will eventually change over to all snow as temperatures take a dump. A nosedive Saturday night down to 18. Not much of a meager recovery on Sunday. Sunday's high 22, down to 5 mighty skinny lonely degrees Sunday night. We might recover to 10 for MLK Day. Our Monday high, that really should say 2 Monday night. It's going to be cold. That's really the bottom line. Stay warm. Bring your pets inside, please, folks. Be kind and check on your neighbors. Going to need to do that quite a bit over the next several days. Appreciate you stopping by, everybody, from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.